Hey Chris, it's me again. I've been tripping on that blurred video, man. I don't know how that happened like that, but it did. So I just wanted to shoot it over again real quick. This will be a shorter version, just because I want you to be able to see it. I want you to be able to see the analytics and the things like that from your number one competitor and where they're setting and things like that. Again, this website is not a bad website. It's built on like VP 16, something like that. It's not a platform that we normally use. It doesn't look like a. We usually build on WordPress or Snaps, and the reason we build on those is because it handles the optimization that we need in order to kick these websites into another gear and to help them rank. So again, I know you heard on the video about having the ways to convert up here at the top. You did really good at that. And there needs to be about 1,500 words minimal of command content because the Google bots scour these sites. The bots don't know what is on your website, so that's why they crawl it, and then they ping the keywords that's in there. Way we shine light on those keywords is we put them in headers up here. We bold them down here. We add links to them. That way it draws Google's quote unquote eyes to the things that we want to be found for. So once they start depicting what all you can be found for on this website, then you start ranking. So again, here I showed your data. It's zeros all across the board, of course, because, you know, brand new website. Again, here's Big Al's, and again, here's the Dallas, Texas Painters. It's called an H1 header up here. And then they're trying to show Google which words they want to be found for by putting them in the headers and by bolding those words. Obviously, these guys here figured it out and pulled somebody to help them with their SEO. House Painters Dallas, yeah, because normally about 95% of the websites that I audit don't have the pictures saved correctly. They have just letters, words, bunch of mumbo jumbo. House Painters Dallas, same keyword, but that's fine because that's what they want to be found for, is House Painters Dallas, Dallas, Texas house painting. But I wanted to show you their analytics. So again, the UR and the DR is the strength and trust that your website has with Google. And the backlinks, again, is simply a shout out from one website to another. So Google's like a big popularity contest, as weird as it sounds. So the more backlinks that you get, the more popular your website's going to become. So there's authoritative backlinks and then there's spammy ones. So you don't want to go to Pizza Hut's website, leave a review, and leave your website in the review. Yes, that is a backlink, but it has no trust, has no strength, no authority to it, because Pizza Hut and painting are two different things. So that's why I was saying in the other video that, you know, you get a painter's blog, or even Big Al's Painting, you know, if they dropped your website domain into their page, then that would be a backlink and you all would share power together, which that's normally not how it works. What I do is try to have my clients, I will see if one client wants to help another client. We throw those backlinks in there for them. They help them out. Now, another thing I wanted to show you was your map pack. And again, you know, Painters, Dallas, Texas, top 3 is where you want to be. This is worth 30 to 40% of your business. In your map pack, it's not optimized either. That's something that I specialize in as well, is the map pack listings. And let's see, Lara's Painting next door, Home Advisors. Okay, so these are citations right here. Citations is the name, address, and phone number. You want those to be the same exact way all across Google, because you don't want to mislead Google. So make sure that you get this section down here filled up. Looks like it has about about 300 characters. So you probably got about 300 or 400 more characters you can add down here. And you want to make sure you're adding keywords into those descriptions like these right here. I'm really pumped about this, man. I think we can crush it. I know we can crush it. There's over 5,000 words of content here. Another thing I want to talk to you about is, do you do commercial painting? Because if you do, there's about 5,000 for residential and about another 5,000 for commercial. So you have a ton of traffic here that if you get an optimized website, man, you can kill it. You can get to the top of these ranks. You can start ranking over everybody else. You know, you can give me a call. We can figure out something, man. A lot of times I try to work with my clients, and you can do partial payments. And once everything gets complete, we can finish out the payments. I can help you with just your Google business profile if that's what you want it to do. I can help you optimize this website out completely, which might need a new build. I know you just got this, but I wouldn't feel comfortable optimizing this website not knowing if the platform is able to handle the optimization. I don't want it to crash. I don't want it to run slow. I wouldn't want anybody to send you a message and it doesn't come through. So having an optimizable platform is going to be the first thing. But if you just want content, man, I can get some content for you. I just want you to be aware that that content is not enough to help you start ranking alone. You'll need backlinks to it. As you see here, this guy's #1, and it's because his photos are saved correctly. He has the right amount of content that he needs to have on here. He has his bolding. So they definitely have someone, they definitely have a SEO guy over there on their team that is helping them out. So they've got it figured out. You know, it's not the best that's in these top 3 spots. It is the best optimized websites and Google business profiles. Like I said, for here, you want to make sure that you're getting all your citations in, Yext, Yelp, Google, things like that, because once you gain that trust with Google, they're going to start plastering your name out every time somebody has one of those searches. Anytime someone searches Dallas house painting, there's 500 people a month that's searching that. House painter Dallas, another 500. So just these 2 words right here is 1,000 volume each month. Even if you only got 1% of that, that is going to be 10 new clients a month that you're having. So your investment is what this is. It's an investment for an asset. And then your ROI, your return on your investment, is going to be 4, 5, 6, 8, 10x what you're paying for this. And it does take, you know, a few months for it to start ranking and getting in there. But again, if you're just buying content for your website, it's just pretty much going to be an expensive digital business card. So if you want to maximize this effort, I would optimize it. But again, it's up to you 100%. Whatever you want to do, I just want to see you win. I want to help you win, and then watch you shine. So if you need anything else from me, Chris, give me a call. Like I said earlier, I'm free. So if you'd like to call, we can chat and figure out something, and we can go from there. Again, my name's Leo Ronan from Morona Marketing. You've got my phone number, and if you need anything from me, man, give me a shout, because I can definitely be a resource for you if need be.